Now that you know how displaying to the VEX LCD works, let's use it to display sensor data as a program runs. Begin by opening the program you used in the basic line tracking lesson. And save it as a new name. Basic line tracking with display. This program allows the robot to track a dark line on a light surface forever. Let's expand it to output the values of the line tracking sensors as the robot moves. Doing so will help us quickly identify and correct problems, such as the robot losing the line when lighting conditions change. For this program, the 3 steps of displaying to the LCD still apply, but with some additional considerations. Step 1. Clear the LCD. Instead of displaying a message that never changes, this program will display the values of sensors that continuously update. Clearing the LCD is still essential, and we must make sure to do so continuously. To continuously clear the LCD, add 2 clear LCD line commands to the while loop. Clear the top line, line 0, and the bottom line, line 1. Step 2. Display the message to the LCD at the desired location. Let's use the top line to create labels for the 3 line tracking sensors. Add a Display LCD Centered string command. Specify line 0. And add a string that says left, center, right. Next, display the values of the line tracking sensors below their labels. Add 3 Display LCD number commands to the program. The Display LCD number command allows you to display a number, such as a sensor value, to the screen at a specific line and position. Optionally, you can also specify a precision for the number that you are outputting, but there is no need to do so here. Let's use the first Display LCD number command to output the value of the left line tracking sensor under the left label. Specify line 1 to choose the bottom line. Position 0 to output the numbers starting in the leftmost spot. And type sensor value line tracker left to choose the value from the left line tracking sensor. Delete the optional N precision parameter. Now, configure the second Display LCD number command to output the value of the center line tracking sensor. Choose line 1, but this time choose position 6. And sensor value line tracker center. And finally, use the third Display LCD number command to output the value of the right line tracking sensor. Specify line 1. This time choose position 12 and sensor value line tracker right. These lines of code will display the values from the line tracking sensors directly under their labels. By having the display commands in the while loop, the latest sensor values are displayed to the screen every time the loop repeats. And finally, step 3. Provide time for the values to be displayed. This program already has a while loop that keeps the program from ending, so technically no additional code is needed. That said, the while loop repeats more quickly than the VEX LCD can actually refresh, so this program would cause some flashing on the screen. To correct for this, add a wait 1 mset command for 10 milliseconds. This will give time for the screen to refresh by slowing down how quickly the while loop can repeat by just a little. Compile and download your program and run it. The robot displays the values of the line tracking sensors as the robot moves. This is very helpful for troubleshooting robot behavior. You can also use this new functionality to determine threshold values for your line tracking sensors. In this lesson, you learned how to display sensor values to the VEX LCD. Be sure to include what you learned in these lessons to improve all of your future programs.